Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine in this pandemic situation. And as we all know that we are still facing this virus called corona. But do you all know that now there is another virus called CatQ virus, or which we call in short as CQV, has also been reported to be found spreading, and this time also the source has been the same, and that is China, of course. So guys, basically the news is that Indian Council of Medical Research has warned India that a new virus called CatQ virus or CQV is traced from China, and it has the potential to spread in India too. And guys, according to the Indian scientists, this virus comes in the category of orthopaganic virus, and that is found in Culex mosquitoes and in pigs. And according to the news sources in China and Vietnam, a large number of people are found getting infected with this virus, and so there is a huge chances of it to spread in India too. And guys, the National Institute of Virology in Pune, Maharashtra has conducted a serum test of around 883 people from all over the country, in which 2 people were found having anti-CQV IgG antibody in their serum, which means that they must have been infected with this virus. It has been reported that these samples were taken from Karnataka in 2014 and 2017, and then the scientists also conducted a test on 3 different species of mosquitoes found in India to know what is their capacity of replicating and spreading this virus. And the ICMR revealed that Indian mosquitoes are quite sensitive to CQV and can easily get infected with it, and these mosquitoes can even spread virus to pigs and humans. And to check the spread of this virus, there is a need to test the serum samples of numbers and numbers of people, and this issue was also published in the Indian Journal of Medical Research. And guys, ICMR scientists have also warned that if this virus spreads, then there can be a chances of community health problem, and it is clear and evident that it is a topic of serious concern when at one side we are facing coronavirus pandemic situation, and despite of all the efforts, we are unable to control it. So in such a situation, the spread of this new virus can be even more dangerous. So guys, I'll suggest you to keep your surroundings clean and hygienic, and try to avoid coming in contact with pigs and mosquitoes, so that you can be safe from the newly emerging CQV virus. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and loved ones, and in all your WhatsApp groups, so that others can also take precautionary measures against it. And for such useful health related videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell next to it, so that every time I post a new video you get notified of it. And I'll see you all soon with another such informative video. Till then, stay happy, stay fit, and take a really good care of yourself. Bye.